Good morning class. Is it so? We have completed our poem in the previous lecture. I have explained the poem to you. The poem is about the microbes. So this is a summary of the poem. So open your notebook. Everyone open a fresh page of your notebook. Write date on the top. Write down the heading, summary, the microbe. Okay. After that, write down the summary of the poem. This summary is divided into 3 paragraphs. This is the first paragraph. Okay. This is the first paragraph. The poet begins by saying that a microbe is so small that one cannot see him with the naked eye. Several people are hopeful of seeing a microbe under a microscope. Many people believe that a microbe has 100 rows of teeth under which there is a jointed tongue, that it has 7 tough tails with many pretty pink and purple spots, with a pattern of 40 separate bands on each of those, and that it has light green eyebrows even though nobody has seen this yet. Scientists who know such things say that this must be true. The poet ends saying that one must never doubt things that no one has even seen. Okay, so this is the first paragraph. So kindly note down the first paragraph in your notebook. After that, we will continue with the second and the third paragraph. Okay, so first of all, write down this paragraph in your notebook. Okay. I hope this is visible to you. I hope you have written the first paragraph. Now we will write down the second paragraph. Okay. Now the second paragraph. Okay. Now we will write down the second paragraph. The poet calls a microbe he and describes it like an animal or human. He also makes fun of scientists because even though they are supposed to know how a microbe looks, they cannot actually show them to us, and only they can see it in the microscope. Their description of a microbe is really fantastic and difficult to believe. Okay, note down the second paragraph in your notebook. it is written difficult. I hope this is visible to you. Okay. I hope you have written this paragraph. Now we will write down the third paragraph. Okay. Now the third paragraph is, when Belloc wrote this poem, photographs of such tiny things were not possible, so one had to take the scientist's word for what things looked like. Okay. Note down the third paragraph in your notebook, everyone. It is looked. So I hope you have completed the summary in your notebook. So we have completed our 40 marks summative test course, that is 2 chapters are there and 1 poem is there. We have completed that. Now when you will submit your notebook, the work should be completed. Okay, both the chapters and 1 poem should be there in your notebook, and the notebook should be in a proper way. You are not a kid, so no need to submit a notebook like a rough notebook. Okay. So name should be there, proper handwriting should be there, underline should be there. After every answer you will draw the margin line. The notebook should be in a good condition, and one more thing, name should be there, because I have got many of the notebooks without name. So this time I will not check this type of notebooks, and if the notebooks are lost, you will be responsible for that. Okay, we will not responsible for the unnamed notebook. Okay, now in next turn we will do the paragraph writing or letter writing. Okay, for the English language. So this is the English literature course. We have completed our English literature 40 marks papers. So start preparing your chapters for the upcoming exam. Thank you and have a